Pasta pizza with pepperoni and sausage. The best. Today I'm making a pizza pasta casserole, but first I have to prep some ingredients. Oh my God, you guys, this looks absolutely amazing. And it smells so good. Oh. Pasta pizza with pepperoni and sausage. The best. Now I'm gonna let it cool down for a couple minutes, but if you like pizza, I also made, like, it's kind of like a bubble up pizza as well. I'll put that link below. That kind of went viral, so that was delicious as well. But I want to know, what would you guys put on your pizza? Because I was going to add onions, but I changed my mind. So my husband will love just a meat lover's pizza. And pasta. Everybody loves pasta. Okay, let's go in for a taste. I put it on broil for about a minute so it's nice and crispy on top. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, there's so much cheese in this, you guys. It's crazy. It's gonna have a little taste, but I will save it for supper. Super hot. All right. Oh my God. This is so good. You guys have definitely got to make this. I'm gonna go eat. See you later.